Today we'll do back exercise of chapter 5, the happy snail. So let's start. Fill in the blanks with correct words from the lesson. So you have to fill the blanks from the words from the lesson. So you have to find out the correct word. Number 1, the snail, P-E-E-P-E-D, peeped out of his dash. The snail peeped out of his dash. So what you write over here? So students, during winter season, the weather is very cool and there is snowfall. So because of cold weather, the snail put his body inside the shell. And when spring season came, he peeped out of his shell. He put out his head out of the shell and looked around. तो स्प्रिंग सीजन में क्या किया उसने? हेड बाहर निकाला शेल से और बाहर देखा. So we write over here shell. How to write shell? S-H-E-L-L, shell. And now we'll read the sentence. The snail peeped out of his shell. The snail peeped out of his shell. Number 2. I will climb the dash and eat the cherries. So where did he climb? Where the snail climbed? He climbed the tree. So what write here? Tree. T-R-E-E, tree. Second blank is trees. You have to write tree in the second blank. T-R-E-E, tree. Now we read the sentence. I will climb the tree and eat the cherries. I will climb the tree and eat the cherries. Now number 3. The snail, S-T-A-R-T-E-D, started C-L-I-M-B-I-N-G, climbing the dash. So where the snail started climbing? He started climbing the cherry tree. So you write here cherry tree. So how to write cherry tree? C-H-E-R-R-Y, cherry. C-H-E-R-R-Y, cherry. T-R-E-E, tree. So how will the sentence? The snail started climbing the cherry tree. The snail started climbing the cherry tree. Number 4. You get cherries only in, said the squirrel. S-Q-U-I-R-R-E-L is squirrel. So how we write over here? Which season the snail can get the cherries? In the summer season. So you write here summer. S-U-M-M-E-R, summer. S-U-M-M-E-R, summer. So you read the sentence. You get cherries only in summer, said the squirrel. You get cherries only in summer, said the squirrel. Now we will do the B exercise. Tick correct option, the correct answer, and use them to fill in the blanks. So we have to tick the correct option and we have to fill the blanks. So this is multiple choice question. So many answers are given here. We have to select the correct one. Sahi answer we have to choose. So first one, the snail went into a long dash. So during winter season, the snail went into a long what? Walk. Options are walk, sleep, talk, cave. So correct option is B. So we will put tick mark on the B. S-L-E-E-P, sleep. So how will we write over here? We will write sleep. S-L-E-E-P, sleep. Now we will read the sentence. The snail went into a long sleep. The snail went into a long sleep. Number 2. Everything, E-V-E-R-Y-T-H-I-N-G, everything, माने सब कुछ. Around means आसपास. The tree was covered with dash. So during winter season, what was there around the tree? Let's see the option. Ice, leaves, snow and hail. So during winter there is snowfall. So everything around the tree was covered with snow. So we write here snow. So we take C option and we write snow. S-N-O-W, snow. Now we read the sentence. Everything around the tree was covered with snow. Everything around the tree was covered with snow. Now third op. So see the third one. I will climb the tree and eat dash. So options are fruits, nuts, flowers, cherries. So what the snail want to eat? He want to eat the cherries. So we'll take the D option and we write cherries over here. C-H-E-R-R-I-E-S, cherries. C-H-E-R-R-I-E-S, cherries. Now we read the sentence. I will climb the tree and eat cherries. I will climb the tree and eat cherries. Now, fourth one. There were, WER is were, not were. So, there were small leaves and dash everywhere. EVEWHER is everywhere. So, what was there everywhere during the spring season? Options are birds, flowers, ants and seeds. So ants and seeds are not mentioned in the lesson. Ants और seeds का कहीं भी mention नहीं है lesson में. Only birds and flowers are there. So flower only come after the birds. Flower birds के बाद आते हैं. So what will first will come? Birds. So we will take A option and we write birds. BUDS birds. Now we read the sentence. There were small leaves and birds everywhere. There were small leaves and birds everywhere. Now fifth one. Soon there were dash BLOSSOMS blossoms on the tree. Soon there were dash blossoms on the tree. So which color flowers were mentioned in the tree? White. So we will take C option and we write white over here. So WHITE white. So we'll write white in the fifth blank. Now we read the sentence. Soon there were white blossoms on the tree. Soon there were white blossoms on the tree. So you do exercise A and exercise B in your book and send the pics to the teacher.